Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Telegram wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to make sure you have an account on Telegram. And once you're on Telegram, the hamburger icon at the top left, simply click on this icon. Once you've selected the icon, all you need to do now is underneath my profile, select the wallet option. So go ahead and click on wallet. And once the wallet opens up, how can you buy crypto on your wallet? So there's a couple of ways to go about buying crypto on your wallet. The first step is you can use the exchange option. So the exchange is basically when you have some crypto on your wallet, as I do have some Toncoin on my wallet, I can easily click on exchange and then exchange my Toncoin for some USDT on the Ton network by just simply entering an amount. So let's say I have 0.03. I can just enter an amount of Ton and then go ahead and click on review order and convert it into the USDT. Now, another option for doing this would be to use the P2P option. So in order to buy crypto using P2P, all you need to do is click on add crypto, click on buy with market. And once you're here, you can now select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. By clicking on crypto, where it says BTC, click on USDT, and then click on buy. So you're taken to a menu where you enter an amount of your local currency you'd like to convert into the, you'd like to buy your USDT for, and then click on check order and confirm. But before you do any of this, you need to provide some personal info like your government issued ID, and that's the only way you'd be able to make transactions like this on Telegram. So guys, that's how you can easily buy cryptocurrency on the P2P market or using the exchange. Comment down below if you have a question and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.